Hello everyone, we are Flightless Bird. I'd like to thank you all for sticking around on a Sunday evening, thanks very much. Also credit to HMRC, I love that song especially at the end. But for now, to introduce some of Flightless Bird, on the lead guitar we have and on the drums we have, from Cambridge himself, Mr. Alan Neil! And on the bass, Hot Lee!
And on lead vocal and rhythm guitar, the man, the legend, singer-songwriter, Marcus
Could be free, or don't know the day is over. Every time we walk right into the path of a life. Sirens, ambulance was howling, do the sand was howling. Thanks and I look in the sky in the path of a life. Angels parted for her, she only brought the torture. That's what happens when she don't stand in the path of a life. Everyone I see just wants to hold me pretty deep, but I just stand by and I wait my time to say God told the line they want. Holding out the wonder when I see the signs, I jump on it lightning bolt. Talking all about fortune, making it different to call you. Thinking of a night, never thought about it, a man of a life. Chances, I'm saying that to take chances. I'm saying that there aren't any answers. I was starting to agree, but I wasn't suddenly in a path of a life. Everyone I see just wants to hold me pretty deep, but I just stand by and I wait my time to say God told the line they want. Holding out the wonder when I see the signs, I jump on it lightning bolt. Everyone I see just wants to hold me pretty deep, but I just stand by and I wait my time to say you got told the line they want. Holding out the wonder when I see the signs, I jump on it lightning bolt. Well, I'm so